Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add 2 filters to your Instagram posts. It's pretty quick and easy. Jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up Instagram here, and I'll walk you through the steps to create 2 filters and overlay 2 filters on any Instagram post image. So I'm going to tap the plus at the very top here, and then I'm just going to tap post. So I want to create a post. I'm going to scroll down to find an image that I want to add to filters to this specific image. Now, at the top right, I'm going to hit next, and I can just scroll over to find, let's just use this filter as the first filter that I want to use. Now, Instagram doesn't have a feature that lets you use 2 different filters overlaid on top of each other. But to be able to do that, what we can do here is we can take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Well, I'm going to get in the screenshot and I'm going to crop it down to just this image. So we've screenshotted this image with this one filter on it. And then I'm going to hit done here and save 2 photos. So now I have filter 1 on here, and then I'm going to hit the back button here. Hit discard. And I'm going to choose this image that I just added, hit next at the top right here. And then I can add the second filter on here if I want to. Let's add, say, that filter on there. So now I've added 2 different filters, one on top of each other. Again, Instagram doesn't have the ability to do this in the app, but by taking a screenshot, we can overlay those 2 filters. And in theory, you could do 3, 4, 5 filters, however many you want. And then I can just hit next at the top right here and then share it onto my Instagram page. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.